Today, I am reviewing NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a powerful, future-ready laptop that balances performance, design, and value, the NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD Gaming Laptop, also known as the Nimo N153, deserves your attention. This laptop is designed for gamers, professionals, and multitaskers who demand speed, efficiency, and reliability without compromising on modern features. Let's break down everything it offers so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. At the heart of the Nimo N153 is the AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor, built on a 6-core, 12-thread design with a base clock of 3.3 GHz and boost speeds up to 4.5 GHz. Paired with the integrated Radeon 660M graphics built on the 6nm process, this machine handles everything from daily productivity to light to mid-level gaming with ease. The Ryzen 6600H is actually competitive with Intel's Core i7-1165G7, and in many scenarios, it outperforms it, giving you better efficiency and consistent performance in both work and play. One of the standout aspects of this laptop is its memory and storage configuration. It comes preloaded with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which runs at 4,800 MHz. That's next-generation speed, perfect for multitasking, running demanding applications, and ensuring your system never feels sluggish. Pair that with a massive 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and you get lightning-fast boot times, rapid game load speeds, and more than enough room for all your files, media, and software. The best part? Both RAM and storage are user upgradable, which means this laptop can grow with your needs in the future. For visuals, the Nimo N153 features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with slim bezels. The 1080p resolution ensures sharp details, while IPS technology provides accurate colors and wide viewing angles, making it suitable not just for gaming, but also for watching movies, creative work, and browsing. The refresh rate is 60 Hz, which may not be the highest for competitive esports players, but for most users it's more than sufficient. Combined with the integrated graphics, this screen delivers a smooth, immersive experience that fits a variety of uses. Battery performance is often a big concern for laptop users, and the Nimo addresses this with a 100W USB-C fast charger included in the box. Thanks to its power delivery support, you can get up to 2 hours of use from just 15 minutes of charging. This makes it an excellent choice for travelers, students, or anyone who's often on the go. Even better, this charger is universally compatible, so it can also power your phone, tablet, or other USB-C devices, reducing the need to carry multiple chargers. On the design front, the laptop is sleek and modern. It weighs just 3.8 pounds and measures less than an inch thick, making it both portable and stylish. The blue metal shell not only looks premium, but also adds durability to protect against everyday wear and tear. Nimo has also included thoughtful details like a backlit keyboard for typing in low light, a numeric keypad for productivity, and a fingerprint reader built into the touchpad for secure and convenient logins. No more typing passwords every time you wake up your system. Audio and connectivity are also well covered. The built-in speakers with HD audio provide decent sound quality, and the laptop supports multiple ports including HDMI, USB Type-C, and multiple USB Type-A ports, ensuring compatibility with monitors, peripherals, and external drives. Wireless connectivity includes fast Wi-Fi, so whether you're gaming online or streaming, you'll enjoy a stable connection. In terms of support, Nimo goes above and beyond. This laptop comes with a 2-year warranty and 90-day hassle-free returns, backed by US-based support. That's peace of mind you don't always get with laptops in this price range, and it's a clear sign that the brand stands behind its product. So, who is this laptop for? The Nimo N153 is a strong choice for gamers who want a reliable machine that can handle modern titles at reasonable settings, thanks to the Ryzen 5 6600H and Radeon 660M combo. It's also excellent for professionals who need lots of RAM and fast storage for creative software, office work, or multitasking heavy workflows. Students will appreciate the portability, long-lasting build, and quick charging. And of course, casual users who simply want a fast, premium-feeling Windows 11 laptop will be more than satisfied. To wrap it up, the NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD Gaming Laptop offers outstanding value. With a powerful Ryzen 6000 series processor, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a blazing fast 1TB SSD, premium design, and thoughtful extras like the fingerprint reader and fast USB-C charging, it's a laptop built for the demands of 2025. Add in the strong warranty and support, and it's hard not to recommend this machine if you're shopping for a new laptop.